I'm David Call with Ryan Everett Insurance. I'm here with Troy Ballinger, the owner of Tristar. And Troy, can you tell us a little bit about what you guys do?
Sure, sure. My name is Troy Ballinger. I own Tristar Repair and Construction and Tristar Roofing. We also just started a new company, Mako Pools. We do a lot of residential remodel, kitchen, bath. We do a lot of insurance work after the storm that we just had. We also do commercial finish out and commercial construction.
So one of the things I wanted to ask you about was reconstruction cost. Every time we do an insurance policy for someone on their home, we have to calculate using some software based on the square footage, the quality of construction, the shape of the roof, all those characteristics go into a formula, and it spits out a number, says use this number to insure this house. Let's say it says $350,000. This house needs to be insured for that much. As the cost of construction is changing rapidly in the last 12 months with lumber shortages and other building materials, and the demand is so high, what's your take on the basic cost of construction per square foot? Or how can a normal lay person figure out how much they need to insure their house for?
Sure, it's a good question. And one of the things I see is that people generally take the real estate value and say, hey, this is what my house is worth. This is what it's sell for. And a lot of times what they don't realize is if you had a fire or a major claim, the rebuild cost is going to be quite a bit higher than that. And the reason why is you've got to demo all of the stuff that's there and then go rebuild. And the other thing is you're also paying for the materials at the current cost. And we know that's spiking. I think everybody's heard about the different materials that are spiking, and
Yep.
and it definitely costs more to rebuild than just to go buy a house
Right.
that's already existing.
Exactly. Yeah, you got to get custom architecture plans. You got to get demolition done. It's not, a home builder goes and builds homes like a factory. They buy enough lumber for 8 houses at a time, and they'll do all 8 framing jobs in one day. Whereas
Right.
you're doing a one-off, everything costs more. So
It costs more. It typically takes longer too, and that's what
yeah,
people don't realize. Like you said, you're not an assembly line doing 17 houses in a row. We're
yeah,
doing, one house with
yeah,
very specific details and having to build around other things that you find,
yeah,
that have been altered. So.
yeah.